Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. The best charred punkwood starts with using the best punkwood. This is a water oak tree of which we have 6 in our front yard, and I never have to go much farther than that one right there to get all the punkwood that I need. All right, good punkwood is spongy. You squeeze in on it and it spring right back out. It's lightweight, very lightweight, almost like wood-shaped air, if you will. And that's the good stuff. That's what you want to start with for some good char material. And about a 1/4 teaspoon of ashes. And some ashes on the bottom board.
See smoke. Go back and roll it some more.
All right, we'll do it like we did last week with the char cloth. We'll cook this can first and then these 2 cans afterwards. To have fire, you have to have fuel, heat, and oxygen. What we're doing here is cutting off the oxygen to carbonize the punkwood and turn it into some great char material. The first gases that come out of this can are going to be steam, and then the ignitable gases will come out, which oftentimes will ignite, and you'll see that flame coming out. When the flames and the smoke stops coming out of that vent hole, you know it's done. Go ahead and take it out of the fire. Since my vent hole is so big, I like to go ahead and plug that hole. But you have to let it completely cool before you open the lid, or else it'll ignite the char material on the inside. So be looking for the flame coming out of there and the smoke. All right, let's take them out of there. All right, we'll try them out once they cool off. We can look at this one though, can't we? That is some great, highly reactive charred punkwood. All right, let me show you these other two cans. Pretty nice. Let's go ahead and try them out. All right, here's from the first can. And the second can. And the third can. Let's see how we did. Now for the fun part. We'll need some more pine needles, hold on. And our last one. Let me wipe this sweat off my face. Do me a favor now, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.